What is going on, everybody? So I got an unboxing to do of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. Stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Alright everybody, so this is going to be the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G for Verizon. The next video will be probably the specs and features. I'm going to split these up in a couple different videos. So here's the device. And here is the OtterBox. So just as a comparison, this is the Galaxy Note 8. The OtterBox case is called Gone Fishing on this one. But if we look at the new one, the new one is actually a darker color. It's kind of hard to tell with the camera. Let me turn this off a little bit. There you go. See, this one, the new one is actually darker, and this is for the Note 10. This one's lighter. It is a little hard to tell. Let me turn the camera a little bit this way. It's a little bit darker. So set that aside. There is a seal on the box. Do not accept if seal is broken. Says it on both sides. The seal is not broken, so I will be breaking the seal. Turn the camera back on. It's got the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G on the side. Okay. It's got an S Pen on the front, and it says Note 10 Plus 5G. This is in the black because the only color you can get with the 512 gig in the 5G is black. If you want the glow, the Aura Glow, or the Aura Blue, or any other color, it has to be in the 256 gig, and only certain colors come in certain models. Like if you want if I remember correctly, there is a red. If you want the red, you have to get it in just the regular Note 10. The Note 10 Plus doesn't come with the red. This one does have a memory card slot. It's at the top. I'm going to set the phone down to the side. Pull this card out. It comes with a black USB-C charging cable. Packaged in Samsung's normal plastic wrap. This looks like this is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Comes with another AKG Samsung earbuds. These earbuds they have the USB-C port at the end. And I did buy a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter so I can use my old ones. These are black. My old ones are actually blue. It also has the extra cushions. This one, you can tell the earbuds have the USB-C cable already attached to them. Comes with your power brick. It's round, it's not like the old style. This one says super fast charger on it. It says travel adapter, input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.7 amps. Output 5 volt 3 amps or 9 volt 2.77 amps. PPS is 3.3 to 5.9 volts 3 amps or 3.3 to 11 volts at 2.25 amps. It's a nice little charger brick. It's got a little fold out case right here. This looks like the same adapter as the Note 8 came with, which is the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Is there anything else in this little pouch? Looks like there might be something on the other side. Okay, this is your stylus tool, so you can actually exchange the pins. So that's nice, it comes with that. Oh, it looks like that's it, 'cause the rest is glued. I'm surprised it doesn't have doesn't look like it comes with the removable pin card tool. The little pin tool to remove the SD card and everything else in the SIM card. We'll put this back in here. Put this over here. Get my little toolkit out. Usually the Samsung sends you with one of these. Not really sure why they didn't send it with this one. Okay. Does have a SIM card in it. Okay, so that's nice. Looks like it's got a screen protector on it. That's pretty neat. Yeah, it does have a screen protector on it. That's pretty neat. It's pretty stuck on there. I'm going to leave it on there until I get my Ghost Armor. So, this is a little look at it. I shouldn't have messed with that because now it's popping off. But this is just the unboxing video. It's got a beautiful screen. I am going to, just so I don't screw anything up, I am going to put it in the OtterBox right now. I do like the Gone Fishing color on the new case. It's a lot darker than the old case. The old case is kind of like a turquoise, teal color. This case actually is nice. I like that it's blue with gray, which is really nice. The old case is blue with cream. But this color is more of a, I don't know, the camera is not picking it up properly. The camera makes it look darker than it is. It looks more like a teal, like a bluish green. I think it would be a teal, where this one actually looks like a dark blue. Like a grayish blue is what it looks like to me. So, I like the darker color a lot better than the Gone Fishing color I have. Try to get this popped out without hurting the hinges. There it goes. Pop it in there. It does fit with the, because I left the plastic tab on. I'm just going to leave it on until I get it to Ghost Armor so I can have Ghost Armor put my protector and everything on it. Just make sure it's clipped in nicely. The case is nice and firm and tight, which is always nice to see. That it's definitely feels brand new. And I love these OtterBox Defender cases. I'm going to end up calling OtterBox and asking what the difference between the OtterBox Defender series and the OtterBox Defender series screenless, because I don't know what the difference is, but for some reason they're this $10–15 difference. Here's the belt clip, which is a nice belt clip. My belt clip for this one broke and it went missing. No, it didn't go missing. It's broke and sitting in the back of my truck. So that's what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And also stick around for the next video. I will be doing a tech video, specifications of the device, all the information you would like to know, everything you can possibly think of you might ask about the device I will be covering in the next video. All specs, screen resolutions, 5G capability, if it's still 4G capable, and everything else. Thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, subscribe like I said before, hit the bell notification icon, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.